Hello all, we are here to present our project about cloud computing, virtualization tools and cloud storage. Before our agenda, we will be getting to know about what is cloud computing, benefits of cloud computing, tools of virtualization, popular virtualization tools, cloud storages and some more things. Now let's see what's cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scale. Users can access this service as on a pay-as-you-go or subscription basis, often hosted and managed by cloud service providers. Popular cloud service providers are Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. There are many more cloud service providers. Key characteristics of cloud computing are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. These five are the key characteristics of cloud computing. Benefits of cloud computing. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing has many benefits like accessibility anywhere with any device, ability to get rid of most or all hardware and software, centralized data security, higher performance and availability, quick application deployment, instant business insights, and disaster recovery. Service models. There are three types of cloud service models. They are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service (IaaS) is also known as hardware as a service. It is computing infrastructure managed over the internet. The main advantage of using IaaS is that it helps users to avoid the cost and complexity of purchasing and managing the physical servers. Characteristics are resources are available as a service. Services are highly scalable, dynamic, and flexible. Example of infrastructure as a service is DigitalOcean, Linux, Amazon Web Services. Next, platform as a service. Platform as a service cloud computing is created for the programmer to develop, test, run, and manage the application. Characteristics are accessible to various users via the same development application, integrates with web services and databases. Example of platform as a service are Windows Azure and Google App Engine. Software as a service. Software as a service is also known as on-demand software. Software as a service. Software as a service, also known as on-demand software. It is a software in which the applications are hosted by a cloud service provider. Users can access this application with the help of internet connection and web browsers. Characteristics are managed from a central location, hosted on a remote server. Example are BigCommerce and Google Apps, as well as Dropbox could be an example for software as a service model. We will be looking into the topic of virtualization. Virtualization is a technology that allows you to create multiple virtual instances or environments on a single physical hardware system. It is the process of creating a virtual version of something like computer hardware. It was initially developed during the mainframe era. This involves abstracting and simulating computer hardware and resources, such as servers, storage devices, or networks, so that they can be utilized more efficiently and flexibly. Virtualization types are server virtualization, desktop virtualization, storage virtualization, and network virtualization. There are four types of virtualization. Server virtualization. You can use virtualization to enable multiple operating systems to run on a single physical server as highly efficient virtual machine, completely independent from each other, reduce operating costs, and provide higher server availability. Application virtualization. Virtualization application allows them to be delivered from a server straight to an end user's device, such as laptop, smartphone, or tablet, instead of having to log into a computer at work on a network server. Network virtualization. Completely reproducing a physical network. Network virtualization combines all physical networking equipment into a single software-based resource. This allows application to run on a virtual network just like they would on a physical network. Desktop virtualization. One of the most popular types of virtualization. Desktop virtualization separates the desktop environment from the physical device, allowing users to access all their personal files and applications on any PC. You are running a company. Your employees will no longer have to log around their work laptops or come into the office to complete specific tasks. By accessing files on any computer, we can work from anywhere. Storage virtualization. Virtual storage capacity that is accumulated from multiple physical devices and then made available for reallocation in a virtualized environment. It is the pooling of physical storage from multiple devices into what appears to be a single storage device managed from a central console. From now, my friend Ramanathan will explain why are we using virtualization tools.
Hello everyone, I am Ramanathan. Now we are going to see why are we using virtualization tools. Virtualization improves hardware resources used in your data center. For example, instead of running one server on one computer system, you can create a virtual pool on the same computer system by using and returning servers to the pool as required. These tools are essential to enable the creation and management of virtual machines, to streamline resource allocation and management, to enhance security and isolation between virtual machines. Popular virtualization tools. There are many virtualization tools are available in the market, but only a few are popular. Here are some virtualization tools: VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Oracle VirtualBox, KVM, Zen, etc. Now we are going to see about VMware vSphere. VMware's vSphere or ESXi is a leading virtualization platform. It provides some advanced features like live migration, high availability, and resource management. The advantages of VMware vSphere are small size and convenient installation, has secure design and high reliability, reduced operating costs, etc. The disadvantages are being overpriced and have less availability and degraded performance. Now we are going to see about Microsoft Hyper-V. Hyper-V is Microsoft's virtualization solution. It's integrated with Windows Server and Windows 10 or 11. Supports features like Hyper-V Replica and dynamic memory. The advantages of Hyper-V are the least possible device driver management, easy to install new server roles, fast updates and maintenance. The disadvantages of Hyper-V are file format, licensing expenses, hardware and software requirements. Now we will have to look on the Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox is free open source virtualization tool. It's user friendly and suitable for development and testing environments. Supports a wide range of guest operating systems. The advantages of VirtualBox are reducing the size of the servers, meaning the number of servers, providing the functionality to change storage dynamically. The disadvantages of VirtualBox are VirtualBox can detect the USB devices after installing VirtualBox expansion pack only.
My name is Abishek. Now we are going to see about what is cloud storage. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that enables storing data and files on the internet through a cloud computing provider that you can access either through the public internet or dedicated private network connection. It is a mode of computer data storage in which detailed data is stored on servers in offset location. The servers are maintained by a third-party provider who is responsible of hosting, managing, and securing the data stored on its infrastructure. The provider ensures that the data is a server is always accessible via public or private internet connection. And the next topic is types of cloud. There are 4 types of cloud storage. They are public cloud, private cloud, personal cloud, and hybrid cloud storage. And the public cloud is simply based on the computing where the resources are offered by the third-party providers via the internet and is shared by the organization and the individuals who wants to use or purchase them. And the private cloud is a cloud computing environment dedicated to a single organization. Most of the times it runs in the internet connection. The cloud can be customized based on the organizer need. And the community cloud certificate is collaboration effect in which infrastructure is shared between the several organizations from the specific community with common concurrence. Whether the community cloud is another name of personal cloud storage. It is maintained internally by a third party and hosted internally or externally. And the hybrid cloud is a collaboration of both public and private cloud. Generally, it is composed of two or more clouds that offers benefits in a multiple deployment models. What is the use of cloud storage? Cloud storage solutions work at a far more effective scale than localized storage, which means the total cost of storage is reduced and the customer benefits from favored service prices. Storing all your data on server is very risky. If it is fails for any reason, you can lose everything in an instant. Even if you don't use cloud storage as your primary storage system, it can be function as a place to store secondary copies of files in case you ever need to backup. And reduce the risk of data loss within the second copy. The file stored securely in the cloud, you are no longer within your file server. Hardware failure, technical risk, it will not affect the cloud storage. Benefits of cloud storage: usability and accessibility, security, cost efficiency, convenient sharing of files and automation. Which cloud service is best for? The cloud storage industry is relatively new and therefore constantly developing. As a result, there is an even increasing range of providers. Out of them, choose from any of the users of cloud storage. Differently, providers can vary in futures. They can relatively more size of the storage space and the files frequencies and the pricing and more often can be compromised by the user. Before choosing your cloud service, it is useful to look into not only these things but also exactly where you can, how you store your data and which kind of protection they will provide it. In order to choose the right cloud service provider, it is essential to understand their relationship with different vendors, functionality levels, technical securities and staff configuration. An individual idea service provider can easily fit to the large ecosystem. This is the last topic in our presentation. Case study: OneDrive. Formerly known as SkyDrive, they updated OneDrive offers immediately with other Microsoft servers such as email and social media. The service recently upgraded its free storage up to 15 GB for Microsoft email accounts holders with additional free space available. Rewards peak from the highest price to lowest price. It is also available for purchases. 100 GB runs for $1.99 and 200 GB runs for $4, or one full TB for up to 5 members of family for $10. Thank you all.